Yeah, I think the game looked a bit tight, looked a bit flat, whereby Isiwelele came into this game, tried to disturb us only, and rely on the counter, which it almost worked for them, and but rely on the likes of Usaile, Nopotani, he speeds up, Unukovici was brought in just to intimidate the likes of Usiema, Nombogas, yes, although Bebana moment in Kulmangi Isiwelele, whereby like Usaile was threatening, Lokunjana, Lomchitalo Potan was also threatening as well, and too many back passes from us, from Nkuma Ngonduli, Nemtajel, and I was a bit off. He looked a bit static now as well, and Ulokunjan, this game needed the likes of Utito or Sipombuli for me, and fortunately, a penalty, Indaba, Umar Hope and I, we all love him, but the problem with you need to give someone that ball. Okay, good pressure him, or somebody around you. It's hard. Fortunately, yes, Ushaili Pal. And the other opportunity, he could have let Apollo score that goal. He could have let Apollo score that goal. Because I think the game could have ended 4-0 or 5-0 again. Because of the missed chances that we have. Second half, much better. Went much better because Mariko brought his spark into the team. He brought in the likes of Usibelebele because we thought that Usibelebele was going to give us dynamics in the speed in terms of build-up play, and we looked a bit slow as well. We created less chances. We lacked agency. We lacked a bit of creativity in the middle. That's why they brought in Uspol. Uspola also he brought spark as well. And now Mvukengi he was off. I think he was indecisive in front of goal because that game. If decision making in a correct way, it Pirates will win 4-5. He win 4-5. So other that, well done to the boys.
Well done to the boys. A beautiful goal by Mbokazi. Wow.
Yeah, I think a lot of